You thought 2020 was worst? Welcome to 2021. K-pop industry is going down in flames right now as more alleged bullying victims have come forward with their stories. Someone please wake me up from this nightmare because I am going crazy over here. I swear. In my previous video, I asked you all to tell me your own theories and speculations as to why there's an influx in bullying accusations all of a sudden. Here's a theory. Recently, twin athletes were kicked from the national team as they were exposed to be bullies in the past. This has caused a natural chain reaction where people are either now finding the courage to speak up after seeing other possible victims do the same, maybe now the victims feel that their voices will be heard, or jumping on the bandwagon to get their 10 seconds of fame. These allegations are coming out at the height of the careers of the alleged bullies. It's a perfect opportunity to ruin someone's career. The theory that I find the most absurd one is that this is a cover up by the South Korean government. Apparently, these scandals are covering the Seoul mayor's sex scandal. If these fans had even bothered to educate themselves on the subject before spreading the news around like wildfire, they would have known that he's been dead since July. Yes, government could be distracting the public with scandals, but the scandal has to be as big as the burning sun. It's as absurd as thinking Kim Ye's divorce confirmation is a cover up for Trump's impeachment trial. You all just sound like my WhatsApp relatives who claim that drinking hot water will kill the virus which shall not be named. Anyways, make sure you watch till the end for a recent update on this channel and my apology. In previous video we discussed how Hyunjin was accused by a former schoolmate of bullying. While the bullying allegations have since been denied by JYPE, it doesn't look like that is stopping anytime soon as a second alleged victim stepped up to accuse him of bullying. Later that day, Hyunjin was absent from Stray Kids' first performance as a group since his school bullying accusations came out, and JYPE explained why. Quote, as we announced previously, we are trying to find out the clear truth to the accusations. Regardless, we judged that going forward with his schedules at the present time is not plausible, so he did not perform. His future schedules will be determined according to the state of affairs. Even though Hyunjin was not present for the event, Lee made sure to include him in their short talk on stage, always referring to Stray Kids as 8 members. He said, quote, thanks to the path that I have chosen, I have met 7 lifelong friends, and the 8 of us will walk together on the path that we want to take. I think I will be able to do even better with these friends. Unquote. Then, JYP posted an updated statement in which they clarified that there were contents that the accuser posted that were difficult to prove. Hyunjin's past actions have hurt people in the past and he apologized in person. Quote, as we were trying to be careful, please understand that it took some time to conduct our investigation as we had to use various methods to make sure we would be able to announce our positions using facts. When the issue was raised, we listened to the opinions of Hyunjin's classmates, teachers, and people around him. We met and listened to the opinions of the person who wrote the post after receiving permission to talk to them. After compiling the information we gathered and heard from various people, it was difficult to clearly prove that all of the contents of the post were true because of the stark difference in memory regarding the past situation when asking various individuals. However, there were some people who were hurt by Hyunjin's immature and inappropriate words and action in the past, and Hyunjin also deeply regrets his actions and has reflected on his past. He met with the author of the post in person and sincerely apologized. We would like to thank everyone again involved for helping to resolve this misunderstanding with Hyunjin, for accepting his sincere apology, and for supporting his future. If by chance we were unable to reach you and you were involved, we would like to apologize to those who have been hurt by Hyunjin's past words and actions. Hyunjin has promised to always live a righteous life, reflecting on himself. We will do our best to guide our artists on this path. Lastly, we ask that you refrain from spreading false rumors and speculation, and we will do our best to be more careful during the selection process when we take in trainees and artists. Unquote. Following this statement, Hyunjin took to his official group Instagram and shared a handwritten apology. He wrote, "Hello, this is Stray Kids Hyunjin. First, I would like to apologize to everyone I offended with the way I spoke and behaved when I was still in school. Looking back to when I didn't know any better than I do now, I am ashamed of what I did. There is no excuse. I did not know how to be considerate in the way I spoke or behaved, and I now realize that I have hurt other people's feelings. I am terribly sorry about my actions. I know that it's impossible to forgive the fact that I have hurt people in irreversible ways, whether I intended or not. I also know that my apology and it being accepted cannot undo the wrongdoings of my past. Therefore, I will continue to reflect on the mistakes that I have made. I also want to thank the people who agreed to see me face to face and hear me out. I am both very humbled and grateful that I got to apologize to them in person as well as through this message. And if there is anyone else who felt offended by my past behavior that I was not able to speak to in person, I hope this message will share my deepest apologies. And I am incredibly sorry to have let down those of you who supported me." Unquote. Just after Hyunjin released a personal statement and apology for his action, the teacher personally sent in a lengthy explanation to a Korean media outlet, OSIN. The teacher revealed, quote, "While Hyunjin's immature words and actions may have caused hurt to others at that point of time, I feel bad as the accusations that he took the lead and carried out violence within the school year were exaggerated and falsified." Unquote. The teacher ended off with hopes that their students will not be hurt over the matter. Now, JYPEA have announced that Hyunjin would be putting a halt to his entertainment industry activities. Quote, "Hello, this is JYPE. We are writing to inform you about Stray Kids Hyunjin's future activities. The agency has been contacting the people in charge of all the activities that Hyunjin had previously scheduled to participate in, investigating the best way to cancel the activities that would minimize the harm done to them. This process took some time, so this statement on Hyunjin's future activities was also inevitably delayed. Hyunjin will take the time to self-reflect after halting all of his activities as a celebrity. He sincerely regrets and is self-reflecting on the fact that he hurt various people in middle school with his rough and unsuitable words. He has sincerely apologized to those who were hurt and is doing his best so that those people can heal from those wounds. We sincerely apologize for causing such serious concern with this issue." Also, the cosmetic brand Clio have removed all Stray Kids related posts from their social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter. The company also revealed that they may consider a lawsuit. Quote, "We are in panic as well, as factors we did not consider at all during model selection became the center of a controversy. However, it is a relief that we took down advertisement posts shortly after the controversies broke out, so profits were not affected." She further revealed that although they cannot reveal every part of the model contract, if the bullying controversy proves to be true after more investigation, the brand will consider pursuing a lawsuit regarding the model fees and advertisement royalties. I think I owe you all an explanation as to why I decided to private my Jenny and GD dating video. Well, first of all, fuck Dispatch, and frankly, I don't want this platform to bring more attention towards them. It's quite disgusting that K-pop fans are hyped up about a couple getting their privacy invaded. Dispatch has destroyed so many idols' careers and reputation. I wish Dispatch would just disappear, but with the way we fans trend Dispatch, that will never ever happen. I just thought to myself, suppliers of the gossip are definitely to blame as well. So today, I have decided to start with myself. I totally understand if you are disappointed with me. I'm really sorry.